Harry, I'm just having a shower.
John, remember to put the fan on. It only costs 10p a week. I'll close the door too. I don't want the steam going into the rest of the house. Actually, I'll open the window too. That's what the lady from the Housing Association said we need to do. Stop the window frames from getting mouldy.
Oh yeah, forgot about that. I found it quite useful when she came over. They're always there to help.
It's like a toy explosion has gone off in here. You wait till Grandad sees it.
Wow, what have you all been up to? Have you been behaving for Grandma? It's like a sauna in here. I know it's not that warm outside, but you've got to open the vents. Lets the moisture escape.
Can I open them?
Of course you can, buddy. Did you know opening these vents helps stop condensation building up? No mouldy windows or walls.
The helpful people at the Housing Association told Grandad that last week.
Morning! It's time to get up.
Oh, Mum, I'll get up now in a minute. It's only 11 a.m. It's half term. Me and Moggs need our sleep.
Let's open these curtains, let the sun shine in, and it will warm the room up too. This helps stop moisture around the windows. I'll just wipe the windows down to stop the mold. You can do this next time. Did you know that Moggs adds to the moisture level in the room as well? We don't want steamy windows.
Oh yeah, that's what the helpful people at the Housing Association said. They're always there to help. Come on, Moggs, let's have some breakfast.
How many pots you got on the go? It's so steamy in here, I can't see a thing. Does smell delicious, though, mate. Put lids on the pan so there's less steam. I'll check the extractor fan on as well. It only costs 10p a week.
Oh, good point. I'll open the back door. Let some steam out.
Better shut the kitchen door too. Stops the steam and the smell spreading around the house.
Good idea. That's what the Housing Association said on their Facebook page. They're always there to help.
I'll just put these on the radiator.
Hey, Mum, it's a really nice day outside. It's a bit chilly, but sunny though. I heard in school that it's better to let the clothes dry outside, even just for a little bit. Help stop blah blah something. I'll help you do it.
Yes, that's right. It's called condensation. Great idea, Rhys. Means we can keep our walls and windows free from mould. The Housing Association texted about that the other day.
Hey Aisha, have these been washed? I'll just put them on the air by the balcony doors.
Don't forget to open the doors though. It helps to let the moisture out.
Yes, forgot about that. That helpful plumber at the Housing Association said that the other day when they came round. They're always there to help.